Well, hello again, my Icon friends and family. Today, I have something new to share with you. Pretty excited about it. We are now going to be introducing a new version of the Icon FJ. So this new version will be available in the new school or the old school design packages, and it is called the Roadster. So the idea is less complexity, less weight, less cost, and super fun. Just getting back to like the true elements of the original FJ. So let's just get right down to it. What makes an FJ Roadster a Roadster? No doors, simple bikini top, no AC, no heat, heaters in the seats, El Strippo, simple and fun. That's pretty much it. Now specifically, this one that I built on spec to sort of play with the design and to launch the new model is built in the old school edition design package, and I picked the Mayan Sun color because frankly, well, I love the Mayan Sun color, but they never seem to sell. Like, they're rarely something people order, so I think it's something you have to kind of see to understand and explore. But it's a really cool, funky color. It's got a great sort of retro vibe to it. I also picked the old school design package for this spec build FJ Roadster because I felt that was sort of the purest form in expressing what I was trying to do with the Roadster. Although if you want a new school, we're happy to build you one of those as well. So here's the drill. You've got all of the trusted and true and known engineering that's in the FJs we've built to date. You just have a little bit less content, so they're quicker to build and there's less expense in labor and content. So these will have a starting price that's significantly lower than the rest of our FJ line. Unfortunately, yes, still expensive. That's the reality of hand-built, ultra-low volume, US-built vehicles. So they'll have a starting price of $185 grand. This truck specifically is running the 6.2 LS3 aluminum fuel-injected V8 paired up with the Ace & Warner AX15 5-speed manual transmission, which in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly 2-speed part-time four-wheel drive transfer case. The axle assemblies are the Dynatrac Dana 44 and Dana 60 based axle assemblies, and I optioned this truck with the ARB locking differentials front and rear with the dedicated air compressor, along with the Icon Brembo Sport Brakes, which is Hydro Boost assisted. Obviously power steering, standard equipment. I optioned this truck with the Sport suspension, which adds the nitrogen charged remote canisters to the Fox Racing and Eibach coil standard equipment. And then of course you have front and rear tunable sway bars. I did the Mac Daddy audio in this one, the Icon Elevated audio. So that has the higher output speakers and amplifier with bass, the NEX 8300 head unit with the now tetherless CarPlay, which is super cool. And the speakers on the Roadster, I'm using a specific marine version of the focal speakers, considering the all-weather nature. I'm also using a unique vinyl in this particular old school FJ Roadster, where it has the two-way stretch marine rated light gray vinyl that is in keeping with the consistent light gray trim used on all the exterior trim, the roll bar, the bumpers, the mirrors, and all that good stuff. Other than that, I did the reverse light, the seat heaters, the 3-stage carbon fiber heat blankets are standard equipment in the Roadster because I gave you no AC and I gave you no heat. Frankly, either of those would have been farts in a windstorm, so the carbon fiber seat blankets work really well. I can attest to that because it was pretty darn cold coming to work this morning. So if you haven't played with the Icon FJ configurator on the website, go ahead and check it out. We're going to be adding this Roadster version to that configurator in the coming weeks. But first, this truck is off to Las Vegas to be featured at the 2019 SEMA show on our friends at Optima Batteries booth. So if you have any questions, certainly reach out to us. Old school telephone, 818-280-3333. The website, of course, is icon4x4.com. Instagram and Facebook are icon4x4. And that's it. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.